Here we go. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. And I'd like to take a few moments here to give a shout out to the place where I get my prescription eyeglasses from. And that's going to be Zenni Optical. Maybe you've heard of them, maybe you haven't. If you haven't, and you wear prescription eyeglasses, then you're going to want to consider making a purchase from them next time. This is not a paid endorsement or anything like that. This is just another topic for a silly review. I've been using Zenni Optical now since the early 2010s, so I'm going to say roughly like 6 years. Zenni Optical is going to save you huge money over going to a brick and mortar. Even going to a place like Walmart, your eyeglasses, especially with the features that I get added to mine, are going to cost so much more than ordering from Zenni Optical. I've ordered, I think I'm at 6 pairs, but I've broken 3 of them. I'm really rough on glasses. It has nothing to do with the quality of their eyeglasses. It's more so just the fact that oftentimes I'll take my glasses off, put them on the side of my bed. I'll tell myself, make sure you don't roll over, Ryan. I'm thinking to myself, you really should put them on the nightstand, the dresser, or something like that. But I end up putting them next to me in the bed, rolling over, wake up in the morning, I go to grab my glasses, they're freaking broken, it happens. But I still have 3 pairs that are alive and well. All 3 come packed with the same features added to them. One of the features would be, I'm a single lens prescription. So I can't see far away, but I can see close. I don't need bifocals or anything, which will make your eyeglasses cost significantly more. So here's a few pairs of mine, a few pairs. I've got 3 of them. I've got this pair right here. Then I have this kind of cool pair that are black on white. And then my newest purchase, really love these eyeglasses. This is actually a new frame for them. Well, new as of about a month ago. Got these right here. Now, when I talk about features, the features that I add to my glasses, I get the oleophobic coating, something like that, but it has to do with not getting grease on them. They repel oils. The other one, the big one, and this is how I'm able to keep my glasses on all day and night, go outside, go inside, or whatever, is the photochromatic lenses, which when they go outside, you hit UV rays, they tint. So now you have glasses that are also sunglasses. Really amazing. Now this particular frame, and most of them come out to be about the same. I don't get their most expensive lenses, but I get some decent ones. This one, my most recent purchase, and I'm fogging them up because I'm sweating because this hoodie is hot inside, but it's cold outside. This frame in particular, grand total was about $70. 70 bucks, photochromatic, oleophobic, stylish, and shipped right to my house. Shipping, here's an insider, here's a pro tip. Go with the standard shipping. I have used the more rushed or express services where you pay more for shipping, and they all got here at about the same time. The most recent pair came USPS priority. I don't know if these get sent in from China, then they get to your house. Regardless, from ordering to receiving them is always about 8 days, 8 business days, 8 mail days. So just want to give a shout out to Zenni Optical. That's Zenni optical.com. Go check them out. All you need is a valid prescription. You enter that. Sometimes they'll call and check with the optician. I think that's what those doctors are called, to make sure that the prescription is valid. So if you need glasses, but you can't afford them, I've been to Lens Crafters. Most of you have probably heard of Lens Crafters. For the glasses with no features at all, a cheapy pair, have been $200. Crazy. So, like I said, you can get you can get plain glasses, just some that you can leave laying around the house, which is what I need to do, that I don't need to make daily, all-day wears. Come out to about 20 bucks, man. You can't beat that just for a pair of frames so you can see. So, honest review, silly reviews. I'm Ryan. Check out Zenni Optical. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Have you ordered glasses from Zenni Optical? Or have you ordered prescription eyewear from another website? Let me know about your experience in the comments, okay? Thanks for watching. And go ahead and watch another one of my videos. Got a link up there, and you can subscribe down here.